Why can't I sell my crypto on wealthsimple? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why you can't sell your crypto on wealthsimple. Now, I know that this is a question that a lot of people have been asking lately, and I've been getting a lot of emails and comments about it. So, I wanted to take some time to explain what's going on. First, let me start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. So, if you're looking for specific advice on how to sell your crypto, I recommend that you talk to a qualified professional. With that said, I can tell you that wealthsimple has recently made some changes to their platform. And one of those changes is that they're no longer allowing users to sell their crypto. This is because wealthsimple is now focusing on providing services for buying and holding crypto. They're no longer interested in providing a platform for selling crypto. So, if you're looking to sell your crypto, you'll need to find another platform to do so. There are a number of other platforms out there that allow you to buy and sell crypto. I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that wealthsimple is not the only platform that has made this change. A number of other platforms have also stopped allowing users to sell their crypto. This is because the cryptocurrency market is still a relatively new and volatile market. And as such, there are a number of risks associated with selling crypto. One of the risks is that the price of crypto could fall after you sell it. This could mean that you would lose money on your investment. Another risk is that the platform you're using to sell your crypto could be hacked. This could result in your crypto being stolen. Because of these risks, many platforms are no longer interested in providing a platform for selling crypto. If you're looking to sell your crypto, you'll need to find another platform to do so. There are a number of other platforms out there that allow you to buy and sell crypto. I hope this information has been helpful. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.